70, 70, you got it.
Everybody has that little voice in their head telling you to do less, so we brought out a drill sergeant so you could do more. That's the placebo effect. Today, I'm gonna show you you can do more.
Come on.
Than you think you can.
All right, drop down and give me your mat. Come on, come on, come on. 2. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, you little girl.
5.
Come on, come on, come on. Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
go,
yeah, all right. You ain't all that, though. Come on, come on. Come on, Santa Claus. Come on, come on, come on. You all right, but keep it going, keep it going. Come on.
What do you got, Noah?
20.
Hell yeah. 1. What number's 1 at?
1, you got it.
45.
1, bro.
46.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Come on.
Let's go, Mario.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Push. You got it.
Let's go. Come on.
Let's
Let's
go.
go, let's go. You got it, you got it. Let's go, let's go.
Come on.
Push it out. Back that out, back that out. You got it, you got it.
Let's go.
So Juan did 24% more, Noah did 100% more, and Thomas did 80% more than they thought they could.
No, today, I'm gonna show you you can run more than you think you can. I know everybody hates running, but with these men, we're gonna push past the limit. Yo, let's put it at 4. That's it. Let's go. See, when it comes to endurance, it's all about pacing yourself. You don't wanna gas out. Yo, we could be here for hours.
How far can you run?
Don't stop. Half a mile. I say about 3 miles.
I suck at running, so I'm gonna say a mile maybe.
Hey, what's going on? Yo, what do you do? What do you run?
1 mile and 5.
Yo, double his max. Yo, we still got like 2 hours though.
Yo, we've been here for hours.
Yo, you're right. We gotta gas him out. Go to the mountains. Incline 12. Yo, you feeling intensity?
We're still in the office, the gray screen, bro.
All right, let's see how long we last now. You done?
Done, bro.
Yo, what's 3:11? What was your max?
3.
All right, I'm excited. I'm at 3.94, 3:10. I don't quit.
And neither are these guys. Noah did 3.6% more, Thomas did 100% more, and Juan's still going.
So we learned you can beat that weak voice in your head. You can endure much longer if you just pace yourself, but there is so much more you can do to fully unleash your potential. You should be able to hold your own body weight for at least 30 seconds. But this time, I'm either gonna help you or hurt you. So Thomas actually gotta help. He has wrist wraps that's gonna help him last longer. Juan gotta hurt. He needs to wear a 70-pound vest, and Noah, let me check this out.
How does this help you, man?
No, this actually doesn't help you. This actually helps you. You're gonna wanna stick for this one. 3, 2, 1, go! You see the pants Noah's are wearing, the shorts, the ones Juan's wearing? Remember that thing I said I was gonna help you?
Wait. Oh, he thought he was slick.
Every second Noah lasts on that bar is 1% you're gonna get off of Essential. So if he lasts 30 seconds, that's 30%. All right, Thomas is out. Juan, how are you doing? Come close. Shoot, he's at 32. That's 32%. Yo, hold Noah.
Come on, Noah.
Keep pushing.
For you guys.
Keep
Come on.
pushing.
Keep pushing, Noah.
40 seconds.
Come on, Noah.
All right, keep pushing, Noah. Let's go.
You got this, Noah.
Let's go.
You got it, bro.
Let's go.
Get it, Noah. Get it, Noah.
Goddamn, 50 seconds, bro.
Come on.
You got the minute. Keep pushing. 54 seconds. You're gonna make me a broke man, but you hustled, bro.
I got you, bro.
He said 20 seconds.
So Thomas takes an L, he did 36% less, Juan did 33% more, and Noah did 80% more than he thought he could.
I'm gonna show you you're stronger than you think you are.
My guy just hit 315, but a few minutes ago he failed 285 pounds by himself. However, when there's a crowd observing you, your brain just doesn't allow you to fail. We ran the same test with the other guys. Noah failed at 65 pounds and Thomas failed at 155 pounds. Let's see what happens when we bring a crowd. So Juan did 9.5%, Thomas did 16%, and Noah did 13% more than they thought they could.
Drop down and give me bear crawls.
What do you want, 20 feet?
Half the field with Isaiah on your back, with this blindfold on. Yeah, there you go. Keep it going.
See, we came out to a football field. I brought the 3 guys and a football coach to run through the most grueling football training possible. Bear crawls with weight. If we cover your eyesight, you don't know how far you're going. And you'd be surprised as to how much you can push yourself when you can't see. That's right. Hey, take your blindfold off. You're way past 20. You're way past 20.
Good job.
Hey, that was mad impressive, bro.
You saw the man. So how many you gonna give me?
I'm gonna give you 50, coach.
50?
50.
50?
Hell yeah.
Let's see it.
All right.
Blindfolded.
Bring it on.
Come on.
Let's go.
You had a lot of energy. Come
Push.
on. Push it. Follow my voice. Yeah. That's right. Don't give up now. Don't give up now. Come on. Let's go. You're almost there. You're almost there. You don't even know how far you came.
Yes.
There you go. There you go. All right. Look how far you done came.
That's
Look
where
how
we
far you
started.
done came.
Good work. All right, one more.
All right, the best I can do is 10 yards, man.
10?
10.
Just 10? You ain't gonna
All right. I'll take 10. With Isaiah on your back.
Damn, Isaiah's heavy though. All right, how about just the weighted vest? This is half of Isaiah's weight.
70.
But I want these good and clean. Come on now. Come on, you ain't got
Easy work.
nobody on your back. Go to your right.
Easy work.
Easy work.
Push
So you
it.
want to be there quick. Keep pushing. Don't stop.
Go.
You don't stop driving on half a tank. You drive till you on E.
Hey, yo, he needs to see this.
Come on, I want you to see that.
That wasn't no
See how
10
far you
yards, bro.
came? That's further than 10 yards.
Juan did 40%. Noah did 66%. Thomas did 60% more than they thought they could.
Yo, you got 2 minutes left. Forget skill, use heart, use everything we learned in this video.
You got this, Noah.
Yo, that's a 15-year trained boxer. I challenge all 3 guys to go toe-to-toe with trained professionals.
Not bad. No, I'm good. Let's go.
All they gotta do is last 1 3-minute round. They have to put heart, and if they don't...
You done?
Yo, what the hell happened, bro?
Oh, it's a lot, man.
Here's the catch. You can't last 3 minutes in that ring. You owe 100 push-ups.
Is that a kick?
Yeah.
Bro, what the hell? You too, man?
Bro, I was tired, bro.
You know who's coming? Let's go, 100. All right, so Noah's out. Tom is tapped out. All we have is Juan left. And these guys are, what number you guys at, 50?
50.
So Noah did minute 20, Thomas did a minute 46, and Juan, he completed all 3 minutes.
Look at this stride, bro. They call me, you have longer legs, you're younger.
What's the name of that Mustang?
Seabiscuit.
What, the
Call me
V6?
Seabiscuit, bro.
The I-4 that's out there?
Look at that stride.
I'm older than you by like 7 years.
I'll be here all day.